on edge tonight after Iran made good on its promise, launching a revenge attack on the United States following the death of its top military leader.
A Ukrainian plane carrying 176 from the
saying they're stepping back from royal duties.
The impeachment trial of President Trump begins.
In Turkey, where at least 22 people are now dead and more than 900 injured after an earthquake in the east of the country.
And the tragic death of NBA legend Kobe Bryant.
Whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready, can we surrender? Can we surrender?
An online collective group by the name Anonymous has surged once again.
Minneapolis on fire. This is getting serious. We got a little bit of a fire breaking out to the left here. Fires have really started. Things got out of control.
It'll get worse before it gets better.
Now, 13 years after she vanished, prosecutors in Germany say they believe Madeleine McCann is dead.
A devastating earth-altering 7.1 magnitude quake Tuesday in Mexico City.
The rising tension between India and China along the line of control is now the biggest face-off between two sides since the Doklam crisis in 2017.
Democracy activists say they fear the end of Hong Kong after China announced plans for new security laws.
Hurricane Hannah slamming into the Texas shore, winds of 90 miles an hour.
And the pandemic continues to spread across the world. Data compiled by the statistics website Worldometer shows global infection